I know we've been posting a lot of C2 footage from the Bean Hollow cache competition, and a lot of people are starting to wonder if the C1 trucks were on site. And they sure were. If you like the content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. But stick around, because we're switching gears to the C1 rigs, and you're not going to want to miss the epic lines that these trucks were running. So stay tuned.
Back and follow on that. Clear on the side here. Nice. Good. Come straight through here, right next to the water. Come up wide. Go around here and come up wide. On that. Super wide, right on that edge of the truck there. Nice, that's fucking good, dude. That's perfect. Too hard, right? Go all the way back to the other side over here. I'm gonna go down 4. Down 4 right here. Ooh, that was perfect, dude. That was perfect. Take a look. You might take a reverse or use your winch or something. That was going to come a little more this way.
Winch me here.
Watch the gate for after you go down. Make sure the line's not going to get on there. Let it out. You go forward. Let it out. Out a little bit. Passenger, let the winch out a little bit. It's going to pull the front of your truck out when you go any farther without letting it out, so probably hard passenger here if you need to. Come on, your winch, just touch. Nice. Oh, nice!
Come on, self-hook yourself.
No, just go all the way. Try to ride that if you can. Yep. Slow crawl.
Time?
3:27. Stay hard on that, yep. Now driver, or passenger. There you go.
Nice skate right over here.
Down to this little. When you come out of this, you're going to be making a hard right. But don't turn too soon. Don't get that one too. Hard right. There's side hill through 8 right here. C1, Josh. 2.
100% is. 100% is.
Okay, 9, you're going to come over here and come down through this little roller, dude.
225.
Progress over here. Down. You might need to take a reverse to not get this gate.
I should be able to pull through this. See my rig do something similar.
And then you got to go hard left, hard out of here.
Careful.
Reverse. Nice. Sandy's gonna come up here. Watch this pull. Watch your tire pressure. Probably get up on this, but don't go too far. I was thinking this way. Nice. Nice, Kyle. Let him in slow. Stop time. brother. Remember your exit. Exit up. You're the judge. Where am I going here?
Let's go. Hey, you know, that's the gate you have to your tires went
All right, swing out for bonus. Highway. Walk in the park. Walk in the park. Over the line. And up and out. Put that tire right here in the ridge. You're walking through the park over here.
Kyle, you made that
Right
turn
down.
like super sick.
Try it. Good stuff, coming down. We're up to 5 meters. Funky 5, gate funky 5.
Yeah. Funky Flex 5.
Straddle it in your gear and then pop up.
Ride that bitch.
You can, yeah. There we go. Pop up. There we go.
Look at that. Riding it.
There we go. Keep it in the groove.
Tire hanging out. Winch. Watch out, bro. Brake foot back.
Winch, where you want us? Straight ahead. Right here?
Right through the damn gate, Kyle. Farther. Too far. Okay. What kind of winch is that? That one. Oh my God! I didn't even use the winch. Did you even use it? Just popped up it.
That's all you needed is that
so.
little bit.
You just needed that little. Just that little hold, huh?
There you go. You're coming out.
Security blanket.
Be careful with this one. Keep a little bit of momentum so you don't get caught. Like I did. There we go. Coming out. Hard turn right. You're going to want to pop up that. There you go. Up. Side hill to 8. All right, then you're going to roll right down to the rocks. Come down here. Come down here. Hit 9. There you go. Stay a little wide. Time, Judge. Time.
Reverse.
3:35. You got plenty of time. Crawl it. There you go. So gonna win on the wide side. Turn in. There we go. Turn in as much as you can. Hit the reverse. Come on up. You got 2 ways. You can hit it here or you can hit it on the outside. 320. I like your way better. Pops up nice and easy.
Yeah, belly, baby.
Swing in. Come a little bit outside. Tire right about there. It's golden. Judge time.
You got 3 minutes.
There you go. Just ride it out. Ride it out. And time. Super
4
easy
minutes
climb.
left, driver.
Just keep rolling through.
Well, I thought it was 3.
No. 2.
Progress.
Keep rolling progress. Swing out wide on this. Come through it. You can either hit here or over there. That's the most common. There we go. Now just pop up this bad boy. There you go, Bree. There you go. Now swing right around here. And come up over here. You're setting yourself up for 3. Alright, right up the valley. Super easy, just favor. Let the tires eat. You want to hit bonus or no bonus? Bonus? Alright, we're taking the highway route.
Progress.
Call the stick, call the stick, call the stick.
Right there.
It's a highway gate. Drive it like it's a free runner.
Drive it like it's your own.
There you go. Just keep driving, keep driving, keep driving. And then we are trailing and wheeling over here. Right here, right here. Now swing out. Coming down.
Love you.
Are you out of here?
Yeah. Love you.
Love you guys too.
Keep coming. No, don't turn up, don't turn up.
Safe.
Just ride across.
Next time let me know earlier.
Okay, winch.
We'll get dinner and do something.
Yeah. And we're sleeping in the trailer.
Sweet. I'll see you guys soon. Drive safe. You too.
Okay, so this is going to be a tricky winch. You're going to come down, then you're going to want to light out when you're coming down. Get out a little bit. Alright, turn, driver. Coming right through here. Put that passenger tire right around here. Or cradle that.
Okay, thanks.
What are you do now?
What are you doing? Where's the spotter at?
Right
Oh, there
here.
you are.
Oh, yeah, drag.
Okay, back up. Get up. You might
Come
want
up
to
here.
progress too.
Now when the
Lick
round
your
go
spotter.
wide, so that way you can get a nice line for green.
Did got that turning.
Sweet. You want to hit bonus?
Yeah.
Progress. Steer, steer. Right across. Alright, you're going to turn hard right, coming out of there. You're wheeling right across. Over here. Stay wide on this side. Up, over, start turning here. Turn. Line yourself up straight for this guy. Be careful on exit. A lot of guys' rear ends will slide.
Great angle, though.
That's killer.
That's the drivable angle there.
Make sure to
Coming down.
Commit.
Come down. Keep going. Just follow it up. Let that rear get up on there. Favor there. Favor that crack. There you go.
Let that front walk you up there.
And try wind. Keep right there. We go. Driver. Now we're turning out left. Just so that way you don't get caught up. There you go. Good driving. Nice hard passenger. There we go. A little bit of power up to 7. So that way you don't get caught. There we go. Side hill 8. What was that? Whole side?
Huh? Say what? See that back window?
Right through. Coming down. We're coming down.
Go next.
You're right up here. Dude, exit out to the left. Go a little wide. Right through here. Put that driver tire on there. And right up. Turn exit straight out. We go around.
That's just
set yourself
speaker I
up
got
for
in there.
3.
Scale noise.
Right up top. Around, out, and then go up 3. You want to take the bonus?
Yeah, where is it? Should I?
You're going to wheel it.
Did everybody else?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Where at?
Wheel it right here, man.
Let's go. The hot dog down the hallway. Did everybody else?
Nope, not anymore. Swing wide and come through. And now we're going to highway back over. 4. Stay wide. Roll the
Force down?
Force down. Stay that ridge and then come straight through.
Oh, you see that turning?
Yeah. You can turn too? That only Lance's rig can do that. Only Lance knows about the day down. There we go. Riggy, let the riggy. There you go.
Woo! You see that?
Going right through here. Keep a little slow momentum on that. Yeah, you're going to get some momentum here on 6, and your exit's going to be right.
Just crawl. Just keep moving. Yeah.
There you go. Now exit right, exit right.
4 minutes left driving.
Right. You're going to have to gas it up a little bit. Give yourself a little bit of gas on that breakover. There you go. Coming through side hill 8. Nice, slow, and easy. Good stuff. All right, you're swinging down here, right where the windshield is. Coming down this. Swinging through. Up to 9.
Nowhere near it. Didn't you see how far down? I don't even care I don't care what Preet says. You definitely do.
You're gonna have to reverse once you want to do some long distance wheeling.
Just gotta get the best shot. Sometimes.
Hey man, sometimes you know.
All up it. There you go.
It really gets me into these tight predicaments.
Turn.
Oh,
Reverse.
Trying to pop it. Popping.
Reverse. If
We
you're
go
swinging out, up, go right where my winch stick is. Put that passenger tire right there. There you go. Up. There you go. Straight up 10. There's that side. There we go. Let those tires grab. Let the tire grab. 9. There you go. Keep going. Done.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.